Well, joining us now is Casey Chavez, and he's going to be talking to us about a Pilates program. And we were just talking, we didn't realize we actually went to high school at the same high school. So you're a local guy who's lived here for quite some time.
Yep, moved here in when I was in 7th grade to Mission Viejo.
Wow.
And went to Capo Valley.
Yeah.
So
back then it was called Leisure World, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who would have known you'd be working here, right?
I know, huh?
It's great. Well, you have this Pilates program that's going to start next week. Tell us a little bit. What can people expect, and how can they sign up?
You can sign up through the recreation department, and the classes are Tuesday and Friday from 3:30 to 4:20. And it's a great class. I focus on core muscle strength. We tone the body. It strengthens your back, strengthens your arms, it increases circulation, and it's just a total, for mind body, it's just an amazing, like, you get a full experience workout. And
especially for our community, balance is so important. You hear so many people that, you know, tripped on a rug or something, and next thing you know, they went from a broken hip to, you know, having some infection, and then it kind of spirals. So balance and agility is so important, and part of this process is this class would help them in those regards.
Oh, yeah, definitely, absolutely. If just it focuses, they can take a little time out of their day to just focus on themselves and just focus on the little details of the balance, little details of their how they feel, what muscles hurt, what they got to do to strengthen every area. So,
in Pilates, a lot of people are probably unfamiliar with it, even though it's been around since, I think, World War I. And it really became popular when Windsor started the Pilates program, but then it kind of faded, but now it seems to be coming back again. It's nice because there's really not a lot of heavy lifting, and it's more resistance and control more than anything.
It's your own body. It's little small movements mixed in with your breathing. So it kind of challenges you there to kind of do a couple things, you know, and it's a really tough workout. You'll be sweating and you'll be feeling it afterwards. Like when I do it, I'm pretty sore.
Kind of like isometrics in a way. There's you know, resistance in some regard, but it's the resistance that you're putting, you know, based on the position. And like you said, breathing is so important during this process.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I like to mix it up. I also do yoga too, so that breathing is a little bit more longer breaths, and then Pilates is more short, quick breaths that kind of fires up the muscles a little bit and challenges the body. So
when people sign up, do they need to bring a mat or anything like that with them?
I would suggest bringing a mat, a small towel, and a water bottle.
Water especially.
Yes, definitely.
People don't realize you really should hydrate prior to your workout, because when you're thirsty, it's kind of too late, and you need to hydrate throughout the day and then bring it with you to the workout.
To get the most effective out of your workout,
you
should probably be drinking water throughout the workout.
Are there any other apparatuses that you use during the class right now?
That, for right now, for the Pilates, that's it. That's pretty much all they need is real simple mat. Even if they just bring a mat, they don't have their towel, that's fine too, but mat and water is probably the best. Now this is going to be over at Clubhouse 5. They have a kind of redid the fitness center over there. And new studio. So I'm excited to be in there.
Now you also teach water aerobics, basically?
Water aerobics.
Do you still call it?
Yep. That starts up near the end of March, and we go through October.
Great. Yeah, it's nice. You know, you do the Pilates for a little while, right? And it's nice when you have a fitness routine that you can break up with other things. You know, you're not doing the same workout all the time. You can do Pilates for a couple months, then go and do some water aerobics, and then do yoga after that, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Great. Now, are you ever downstairs in the fitness center where people could, you know, chat with you for a little bit and talk about the program? Or are you mostly at a different clubhouse?
I'm mostly just at the pool, and I'll definitely be I'll be there too.
So you're at the Clubhouse 1 pool?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Clubhouse 1 doing the water, and then the Pilates.
So people can go downstairs here in the community center and sign up
register.
There? Okay. And if they show up on Tuesday, will you be able to sign them up as well?
I'll be able to tell them get their information and make sure they, you know, they can come take the class, and I'll make sure they get registered for the class. Well,
we definitely encourage them to be a part of this class and to register downstairs. We're located right around the corner from the boardroom. It's basically the old Laguna Woods Globe, Laguna Woods News office, and you'll see the recreation department staff there, and they'll be able to get you signed up for Casey's class. This is going to be at Clubhouse 5. It's going to run from January 9th until March 16th. 10-week course, and it's going to be every Tuesday and Friday from 3:30 till about 4:20, and there is a cost involved with that as well. So be sure and come downstairs and sign up for the class. You've been working here for a couple of years now. What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah.
And I met some great people, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some long-lasting friendships.
Absolutely.
And I'm glad I can, really reach out and make people's lives better.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
We have the guy, I forget his name now, I think his picture was in the paper. He goes to the gym. He used to come up here all the time when the gym was here. He's like 106 years old, and he still goes to the gym and works out, and it's amazing what people are still doing. And fitness right now is so important to not only younger generation, but the older generation have really taken to it as well. And look what they've done with that fitness center downstairs. It's become so popular that it's almost like the PC and Mac clubs. Those kind of amenities are really getting a lot of traction.
A lot of people, they come, to socialize and to be a part of something, but also I try to make it fun and something they can enjoy and really look forward to.
Right, and relaxing. Is it Pilates kind of in a way like yoga? It's kind of a little bit relaxing in a way. I mean, it's strenuous.
Oh, it's strenuous, but you know what? It's really the benefit of it. Like you'll start feeling it right away.
Yeah.
It's there's nothing like it. So it's different, and it's nice because it's a little different from yoga because it's not flowing up and down where you have to stand a lot. We'll be doing some standing stuff and balance stuff, but it's a lot of like you're on your back a lot. You're on your stomach. You're on your all fours.
Right.
So. To get the body moving that way is just good.
Yeah, and I imagine the 10-week course, I mean, the first day you're not going to be killing it, right? You're going to start this off gradually, right?
Yes, we're going to take it a little easy and go over the basics and discuss things and breathing techniques and stuff like that. So
yeah, I think it's a great opportunity for residents. They've always heard about Pilates, and it almost sounded like a torture chamber for some of these Pilates organizations, because there are Pilates, I guess, where they work with different apparatuses.
They've got the reformer machines.
That's the one I've seen in some of the gyms.
Yeah, that's
a little different.
That one's a little intimidating.
Yeah,
because you have to like buckle up and like pull things and move your body a certain way.
Yeah. But that's not what we're doing here.
We're doing mat Pilates.
Right.
Mat Pilates. Yeah. So just all you need is a mat and water.
Definitely bring a mat. Bring a towel, because everybody will appreciate that as well. Yes. And then bring some water especially. And it's only about an hour, so it's a great way to kind of end your day in the afternoon, 3:30. And then you can go and enjoy yourself a nice nutritional meal, right?
Yes, correct.
Right. Well, thanks for joining us on the program today. Great. It sounds like a great program. This is going to be over there at Clubhouse 5. It's going to start next Tuesday and run through March 16th. It's a 10-week program. Encourage you to go downstairs and sign up with Casey Chavez's Pilates program. And it sounds like a great opportunity to get healthy for 2018. We'll be back with more of our program right after this.